You'll know that lead magnets, ebooks and reports are effective ways to build your list or offer directly for profit. But you'll likewise know they're a serious headache to create too. All that writing, developing and formatting. Introducing Sqribble. It's an online tool that instantly produces expert ebooks, reports, white papers and other types of digital books with a couple of clicks. Sqribble is different. It's loaded with expert design templates, seriously excellent looking covers, and surprisingly, is totally bug complimentary. In fact, the whole procedure of producing an ebook with Sqribble is satisfyingly simple and smooth. However, perhaps most amazing of all, Sqribble comes loaded with some of the most powerful functions. Yes, it's effective. Yes, it's going to conserve you lots of time and money developing ebooks. Without doubt, it's the professional designs, the simplicity and the speed at which you can develop seriously awesome ebooks, on the fly. It just makes your books look and feel more genuine, which is a good thing for engaging your readers. Sqribble has actually been established by Adil Chowdhury, who is a widely known internet entrepreneur and bestseller. Creating ebooks has constantly been a discomfort for a lot of marketers, but with Sqribble, it truly doesn't need to be.